Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. Again today welcome to second session of similar triangles. Today we are going to discuss previous examination solution with the smart tricks. It is not a easy chapter dear friends. Very big chapter, confusing chapter. In this case we have to put more concentration on the questions. Let us see the first question. In triangle ABC, angle C equals 90 degree and then CD perpendicular to AB, then BC square by AC square. No diagram is not given, amma. We have to draw the diagram. Based on this question, based on Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, right? First of all, I have to draw a diagram. This is a right angle triangle ACB, ABC. Right angle at C. Right angle at C means 90 degree. I have drawn a perpendicular line CD on AB. According to the question only, I am drawing the diagram. CD perpendicular on AB. What about BC square by AC square here? What is the answer? Simple amma. I should go first this ratio of these two small triangles. 1, 2. Area of right triangle BDC of ratio. I am doing ratio. Ratio of first triangle by ratio of second triangle ADC. You know very well what is the area of triangle formula. 1 by 2 base is the height. So this triangle base is this is the height. So BD into CD as well as this is base of second triangle. 1 by 2 base height is common. Height is common for these two triangles. So CD 1 by 2 cancel. CD cancel. We are getting BD by AD. Okay, now BD by AD. Friends, one important theorem is there. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. For example, the first triangle is BDC, second triangle is this is a. Here what is I am asking? Squares of areas. Squares of areas is equals to the corresponding sides. Ratio of squares of their corresponding side. What is the corresponding side? Nana? BC, AC. So BC square by AC square. Put equation number 1, 2. From 1 and 2 you have to compare it. So BC square by AC square is equals BD by AD. Okay. This is your answer. Clear. Okay. Now I want to tell you shortcut. This answer I have to tell you shortcut way. Of course this is also shortcut. Minimum before 1 minute only we have to do this answer. But 5 seconds answer. You draw the diagram. You draw the diagram. Simple amma. After drawing the diagram, you drawing the diagram. Here what is given? BC square, AC square. BC square, AC square. BC square, AC square means BD, AD. That's it. Once again. BC square, AC square. Like this, you have to come. Here also, BD square, BD by AD. Without doing any solution. Is it clear, Nana? Clear? Next, second question. The angles are in the ratio of 1:2:3, then the least angle will be 30. That's it. It is like a yes, progressions. 1:2:3 amma. 1x plus 2x plus 3x, sum of the angles in a triangle 180 degree. Nothing but 6x is nothing but 180 degree. X equals 30 degree. X equals 30. 6 1 is 630. X means 30. 1 into 30, 30. 2 into 30, 60. 3 into 30, 90. 30, 60, 90. Total 180. So least angle will be 30. But somebody is taking 15. Oh, 30 only. Maximum angle is nothing but 90 degree. The question they are asking maximum angle also. Are you understand? Now, the angles are in the ratio of 3x plus 12, 5x minus 6, x plus 3. Then measure the largest angle. Simple, same concept. What is given? 3x plus 12 plus sum of three angles in a triangle is nothing but 180 degree. Nana, 180 degree. Remember, here 3x plus 5x, 8x plus x, 9x. Write down. Plus 12 minus 6. Plus 12 minus 6, 6. 6 plus 3, 9 is equals 180. Yes, your idea is correct. 9 common. Here 9 common, you are getting x plus 1 in a bracket. Now x plus 1 equals to 180 by 9. 9 1 ja 9 20 ja. So x plus 1 equals to 20. X equals to 20 minus 1, dear friends. X equals to 19. I got x value 19. But he is asking largest angle. So you can substitute x value here. 3 into 19 plus 12. 3 19 are 57 plus 12. Nothing but 69. We have to check other angles also. Next other angle is what? 5 into 19 minus 6. 19 5s are 95 minus 6. 95 minus 6 is nothing but 89. Okay na? In this 89. So 89 is the largest. That is the answer. So 69, 59, 79, 89 is the largest angle. If you substitute here, coefficient is bigger one, that is the largest angle. Approximately, what is the x coefficient will be maximum? Maybe 99.99%, that is the largest angle. In this substitution, direct you can do substitution here. 95 minus 6, 89. This is the answer of third question. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AC equals to BC, then AB square equals to AC square, then find C value. Simple. C value is 90. Absolutely 90. How it is? With the diagram I explain to you. See. What is saying? Isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles means compulsory these two sides must be equal. No doubt at all. Now because hypotenuse will be the longest side. So AB square equal. This is a AB. Because AB is the longest side. So AB square is equals is given to AC square. AC square can be split into two parts. AC square. But in the question, what is given, Amma? What is given, dear friends? AC equals to BC. In the place of AC, you can substitute BC. So, by according to the Pythagoras theorem or Baudelaire theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, means the point opposite of longest side, the angle will be 90 degree. So, C is the 90. Angle C equals 90. Friends, by seeing the question, you can write the answer. The way is, you see, in this ACBC, which number is more times? Which letter is more times? C is a more time. So that is the 90 degree. That's it. Which letter is repeated many times? You can say now. For example, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. In this, which angle? What is the right angle value? Absolutely B. Because B repeats many times. 2 times. Now, BC square equals AC square plus AB square. Where is the right angle? At A or B or C? Tell me. Which letter is repeat twice? A only. So that is A is 90. Like these questions are coming in the exam. By seeing the answer, by seeing the question, we can say the answer. That's it. Next. In triangle, one more interesting question. Triangle ABC, their sides are 6, 10, 8 centimeters. Then triangle ABC. Which type of triangle this is? By seeing these measurements, this is which type of triangle? Yes, I know. That is absolutely right angle triangle, no doubt at all. How would I know? Simple amount. 6, 10, 6, 8, 10. What is the biggest side? 10. 10 square is equals 6 square, 8 square. 6 square, 36, 8 square, 64. Nothing but 100. 10 square, 100. LHS equals RHS. That is the reason that it is applicable for Pythagoras theorem. Then it is called right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Friends, not only this. I told you now. What are the values are given in the exam? You can write directly right angle triangle. What are the Pythagorean triplets? Simple amount. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, 17, 15. These are the called as Pythagorean triplets. Keep in your mind. By seeing that in this, you have to keep in this mind. This value will be there here. Automatically, it is a right angle triangle. You know, this is a standard GK. If you know the standard GK, sometimes it can be useful for such type of questions. No need to do any solution. Am I right? See friends, here 6th question. Which of the following are not sides of a right angle triangle? Just now in 5th question I told you, 3, 4, 5, right? 6, 8, 10, right? 7, 24, 25, right? Next 5, 12, 13, right? 5. These are the called Pythagorean triplets. In this, which is now there, 3, 4, 5 is there. It is a 100% right angle triangle it can forms. Here it can forms a right angle triangle because 15 square 225, 12 square 144, 9 square 81. Sum of these two also 225. 5 square 25, 4 square 16, 3 square 9. 16 plus 9 25. It is also satisfied. 2 square 4, 1 square 1, 4 plus 1 5. Root 5 square 5, 5 equals 5. It is also satisfied. This is our answer. It cannot be satisfied because 9 square is equals 5 square 7 square. Longest side square is equals sum of the squares of remaining two sides sum. That's it. Now 81, 25, 49. Nothing but this is a 74. 81 not equals to 74. So that is the reason this is our option. The question is not a side of right angle triangle. These three are the side of right angle. This is not a side of the right angle. Keep in your mind. Okay. Height of an equilateral triangle whose side is x units. Here I have to derive two formulas. I have to tell you two formulas. Area of an equilateral triangle nothing but root 3 by 4 a square. Now height of equilateral triangle is nothing but root 3 by 2 into a. A means x given. Nothing but root 3 by 2 into x. This is the answer. Where it is? Here. Finish. Just know the formula, get the answer. Here any one value is given, we can substitute the value in the place of x, then you will get a perfect answer. Okay, now? Right. Now it is also standard question. In triangle ABC, D, E, F are the midpoints of a sides AB, BC, CA respectively. Then the area of triangle DF and area of triangle ABC. DF is small one, ABC big one. Small ratio to big ratio. 1:4. That's it. See? ABC, DEF. You see, this is a small one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1:4. Finish. For suppose ABC given first, go with 4:1. 4:1. ABC given first, you can go with 4:1. DF to ABC 1:4. ABC to DF 4:1. Keep in your mind. Right. Next. The ratio of the corresponding sides of the similar triangles are 5:3. Very important. Then the ratio of their area. Okay. We know the theorem. Here, sides ratio given is asking areas. Sides to area, area to sides. We have a one beautiful theorem. The theorem is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Here, sides given, we should find areas, means do the square. That's it. When the areas is given, we have to find sides, means we have to go with root 2. Simple. Sides given. Find sides given, find area. Area given, find sides. Very important point. This is. I am explaining this question. At the same time, I am explaining another method also. Okay, another question also. So here side given, find area means 5 square 25, 3 square 9. 25:9 is the answer. Sometimes they are giving area for suppose 81 centimeter square, 121 centimeter square. ABC, DF. Like this they are giving the question. What is the sides, Nana? Ratio of sides simple. Square root of 81, square root of 81, square root of 121, square root of 81, 9, square root of 109. So 9:11. See, sides given, we have to go with squares. Areas to sides asking, we have to go with square roots. Square root of 81, 9, square root of 121, 11. The ratio will be 9:11. Have you understand? Next. Here, this is also one more important model question. Top 10, top 20 questions. In that, one more important 10th question. In ABC similar to DF, BC, EF given, and one more triangle area given. Find another triangle area. Who are the similar? ABC similar. That means we know the theorem. This theorem only. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF, and then the corresponding sides BC by EF. Yes, BC by EF, but according to theorem, ratio of squares of then their corresponding sides. BC value 4, EF value 5, square. ABC area given 80, find DF. Put x, right? 80 by x, 16 by 25. Do the cross multiplication. Here 16x equals to 80 into 25. Now x equals to 80 into 25 by 16. 16 1 ja. 16 5 ja. So 25 5 ja. 125. Simple answer is 125. I want to tell you direct answer. Direct answer. Let us see. You can square it. Square it. 4 square means 16. This value will divide. Here BC value divide ABC only. So 80 by 16. 16 1 ja. 16 5 ja. 5 into this 5 square. 5 into this 5 square. 5 square is 25 5 is 125. Finish. See friends. Question number 11. One more here. Interesting question. Interesting models also. The perimeter of two similar triangles are 30 cm, 20 cm. Okay. One side of a first triangle is 12 cm. Find the other. What are the key terms? This is the first key term. These are the values of two triangles perimeter. And one side of the first triangle is 12. Find the second. Oh, two triangles comparison. Yes. Two triangles comparison. Perimeter of first triangle 30, second 20. Okay. First triangle side is 12, second triangle is what? X. We don't know. X. So that is the reason you can write ratio between these two. Perimeter to perimeter, side to side. So product of extremes equals to product of means it is there in a ratio. Ratio. Product of extreme equals product of means the formula. Equality of two ratios we should go with like that. 30 into x, 30x. 20 into 12. Now x is equals 20 into 12 by 30. 20, 0, 0 cancel. 0, 0 cancel. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja 12. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 amma. 8. 8 centimeter is the answer. That's it. Clear? Come together. In a triangle ABD, very important, is a right angle at A. AC perpendicular on BD. Then AB square equals to what? Here, I have to tell you 3 terms at a time. In these 3 terms, anyone will come in the exam. No doubt, beta. Let us see the question. This is a triangle. A, B, D. ABD is a triangle, right angle at A. AC perpendicular on BD. AC perpendicular. This is a perpendicular on BD. On BD. What about AB, Nana? It has a lot of proof is there. No need, amma. I have to tell you shortcut. You see, he is asking AB square, na? He is asking AB square. Simple, na? AB square nothing but we can here to end, here to start. BC into BD. That's it. BC into BD answer. Where it is, na? Yes. Friends, complete answer. For suppose in the place of AB square, they are asking AD square. Here asking AD square. Here AD square. Then you can start with the D. DC into DB. DC into DB. Here AB square means we have done BC into BD. Clear. Sometimes in the place of AB they are asking suppose AD square. You can start with the D. DC into DB. AC square for suppose. Simple. AC square means this side. That's it. BC into CD. Finish. How it is easy, amma. So no need to prove anything, amma. Okay, na? Now one more interesting question. The areas of two similar triangles are 25 meter square, 36 meter square. If the median, yes, interesting. Median of smaller triangle is 10 meters, then the median of the larger will be. I have to tell you here also one beautiful shortcut for you. You only beta. 25 square. Square root of 25. Square root of 25. 5. 5 double. 5 2 is 10. Okay? Like that. 6 square. Square root of 36. 6 only. 6 double. 12. Where is the 12? Finish answer. What I have done? Square root of 25. 5. 5 2 double. 10. It is a median. You feel like that. Square root of 36. 6. 6 double. 12. 6 to the 12. That's it. No need to prove anything. If you do means long lengthy process will be there. Direct technique you can follow here and here. Now, very interesting question. The ratio of corresponding sides of a two similar triangle is 3:2. sides of A. Sides. He is not asking area. He is not asking perimeter. He is asking then the ratio of their height. Friends, sides given, height cannot be changed as it is. 3:2, 3:2 only. Sides to area, square we have to do. Area to square, area to sides, you can do square roots. Clear. Now, height is asking, that value will be comes to as it is. No doubt. Okay, no? These are the important questions. Now, let us see one more interesting questions for you. In the given figure, PQ parallel to BC symbolically given. AP equals to 3, PB equals to 4, AK equals to 4. What about QC? Simple. By BPT theorem, basic proportion. This is the clue for us. So AB by BB equals AQ by QC. AB by, friends, AB by BB equals AQ by QC. Am I right? AB 3 by 4, AQ 4 by QC. We don't know QC. We should find out. He's asking QC only. Do the 4 into 4, 3 into Q. See, 3 into QC, 4 into 4, 16. QC equals 16 by 3. Finish. Next. A flagpole 4 meters tall. A flagpole 4 meters tall. Cast 6 meters shadow. 4 meters flagpole cast 6 meters shadow. Cast 6 meters shadow. At the same time, nearby building cast a shadow of 20 meters. Here, this is the building. This shadow will be 24 meters. And what is the height of this building? We should know. We don't know. X we can take. Comparison between these two. Height by shadow. Height by shadow. Simple. Height by shadow. Here height by shadow. Not side side. Don't take 4 by x, 6 by like that. Height shadow. Height shadow. That's it. Do the cross multiplication. 4 into 24 is equals to 6 into x. Now x is equals 4 into 24 by 6. 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja, 4 4 ja, 16 meters. Finish? Answer. That's it. Now the value of x for the which of the following? DE parallel, clue word, BPT, basic proportional theorem. A line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Then the line will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. That means like this. X plus 3 by 3x plus 16 is equals x by 3x plus 4. Do the simple cross multiplication. X plus 3 into 3x plus 4. That is equals x of 3x plus 16. Okay, my friends. Now simple. Do the multiplication. X into 3x, 3x square. X into 4, 4x. Next, 3 into 3, 9x. 3 into 4, 12. That is equals 3x into x, 3x squared. 3 into 16x, 16x. Clear? Now 3x square, 3x square get cancelled. Both are same sign. This is nothing but sum. 13x plus 12 is equals 16x. Here bigger x value will be there. You can transfer 13x to right side. It becomes to minus. Here 12 will be around. So 12 equals to 3x. X equals to 12. 16 minus 13, 3 12 by 3 comes down. 3, 3 1 there, 3 4 there. So x equals what beta? 4. This is your answer. Finish. How it is easy? How are the models I am selecting from the previous papers? Beautiful models, Amma. You are not missing any question also. I assure it. Now let us see more 3 important questions. One more 3 interesting questions, interesting models. In this, one diagram is given. From the figure, what is the x? Here we have to get 1, 2, 3 triangles. We have to compare the triangles. What is given? Idea. Here x is given. He is asking x. 1, 2, 3 values. So this triangle to total triangle. So what is the triangle? ADC comparing to ABC. Full triangle means CD by AC is equals to AC by BC. AC by BC. That's it. I am doing you see first triangle to total triangle. So base by this side and side by base. So CD value how much is given here? CDX. AC 10 root 3. Again AC 10 root 3. Substitute BC. BC 5 plus x. 5 plus x. BC 5 plus x. BD plus DC 5 plus x. Cross multiplication. x into 5, 5x, x into x square, 10 root 3 into 10 root 3, 10 root 3 whole square, 5x plus x square, here 100 into 3, 300. So 5x plus x square equals 300, x square plus 5x is minus 300. We are getting one quadratic equation. Here 1 into minus 300 factors, difference will be 5. Nothing but 20, 15. 15, 20, 300. Here plus, here minus. Bigger number must be, the plus is there, bigger number must be plus. We know very well in polynomials. Now quadratic equation also. Plus 20 come outside, minus 20. Minus 15 come outside, plus 15. So answer is plus 15. That's it. Okay. Now, see children, here ABC. I want to tell you shortcut, no? This is, you have to write this is the first step. In the first step, A to Q, answer to question we should go. Here X, I have to go with 10 by 10 root 3. 10 root 3 by here 10 plus 1 15. Here 10 root 3, 10 root 3, 10 root 3, 10 root 3, 10 root 3 whole square, 100 into 300, 15 into 10, 150. These two are not equal. Next second option. In the place of 10, we are going to substitute 10, 15 to 5 plus 15. In the place of x, I am substituting is 15, 10 root 3, 10 root 3, 5. In the place of x, we are choosing second option 15. So 15 plus 5, 20 is equals 10 root 3 into 10 root 3, 10 square into root 3 square. You know very well. 15 into 20, 300, 10 square into 3. Square root cancel. 3 into 100, 300. Easy. This is the way we have to do. If you do the quadratic equation, you will get the answer. Otherwise, after getting the first step, you should apply answer to question. First option not equal, second option it is equal. Now, in triangle ABC and XYZ are similar to each other, angle C, angle B given. What about Z? Children, this is very easy. Sum of these two subtracted from the 180. 60 plus 75, 135. Subtracted from 180, we are getting 45. This is the answer. Sum of these two subtracted from 180. Sum of the angles in a triangle 180. 180 minus 135, how much? 45. That's it. Now in triangle ABC and PQ are similar to each other. Find y plus z. This is very interesting question. Very interesting question. Here two triangles are given. 3 to z, 6 to 8, y to 4 root 3. What is asking? Y plus z. First you have to find z. 3 by z. Comparing between two side to side. Hypotenuse to hypotenuse. Now do the cross multiplication. 8 into 3 is equals 6 into z. Here z is equals 8 into 3, 24 kada 24 by 6. 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja. Z value 4. Got it. Z equals to 4. What about y? Yes, y also. Base by base. Y by 4 root 3 is equals hypotenuse by again hypotenuse you should take better. Now 8 into y, 8y. 6 into 4 root 3, 24 root 3. So y is equals to 24 by root 3 by 8. 8 1 ja, 8 3 ja. So what about y value? 3 root 3. So we are getting y equals 3 root 3, z equals to 4. So y value 3 root 3, substitute plus z value 4. So our answer is 4 plus root 3 root 3. 4 plus 3 root 3 is answer. Easy. Okay. Next. Okay, these are all our 20 questions. Are top 20 questions I explained happily because today class is very nice. I explained with diagrammatically, traditionally, shortcut, everything. So friends, your duty is what? You see the description link, solve the questions and answers also will be there. Do you have any doubt? You comment me, and moreover you have to share this video because we have just 1 week time. In this 1 week it can be useful for your friends. Share to your friends, sibling, family groups, everything. Every area you have to send this video because I trusted, I hope that best of my knowledge I am explaining to you. And finally one question for you, tell the answer. Triangle ABC, PQR, then AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR equals K. Then what about K? This question is once upon a time given in the previous exam. What is the answer? Comment it. Till then, practice well. Bye bye.